Hi, my friends. Hopefully I am in frame. I'm using my phone. I'm in my backyard. I just released the Cracking and Crazing in Acrylic Paint Pouring course. It's the new course for February. And I just wanted to walk you through a little bit how to access your things, being an Academy member. And since this is only a member-only course, I'm going to show you how to get to it. So I'm going to flip my camera over. And here's my laptop. The course itself, when you go to the website, here it is, Cracking and Crazing in Paint Pouring Causes and Fixes. And it is in the Paint Pour Skills Lab. And when you hit Academy Courses, it's there. So we'll just click on Paint Pour Skills Lab. And let's look. These are all the courses you get as a member. Here it is, right here, members exclusive. And if you click it, here it is to sign up now, but you have signed up. So let's access your Academy membership. Click on that, and Paint Pour Academies, here's your lounge. And this gets updated every month. Here is a calendar for February. Click it. It expands it. We had the project sheet release out of focus on Monday. Today's the new course. The 17th is the monthly Zoom meeting. And don't forget Valentine's Day. And to RSVP for the Zoom meeting, just click, fill out the registration, and register. And then here is the monthly collectible. And you just download it. And with me, I have to open separately. But there it is. You just download quick steps, YouTube tutorial, shopping lists. And they are collectibles, so you can keep them. And then down here, monthly only exclusive downloads, or members only, sorry. And here's all your goodies. Now we get to the Academy courses. You have access to all of these. Just click on any of them. But right here, page 1 of 2, click that. And it will open up slowly for me. More courses. And here it is, Cracking and Crazing in Acrylic Paint Pouring. You click it. And here is your course. And it is in depth. I'm 94% complete. Yay me. But yeah, you just follow along. And hopefully this is helpful to you. There it is. Oh, it just keeps going. So hopefully this has helped you. Let me know what questions you have and let me know what courses you would like to see in the future. So have a good rest of the day and happy painting. See you in the videos. Bye.